My dad beat my mom again. Sorry to hear that. Now my mom's so depressed. She even won't make our breakfast. I hope I can find a way to help you. Police?
Hey, wait! What have I done wrong? Just explain it in the court later. Don't you worry, sweetie. Now your dad will not ever beat your mom again.
Hey! What are you guys doing?
We have a report that your husband used to beat you, madam. We're here to arrest him.
What? It's just a game.
A game? You mean...
Oh yes, we used to play chess together and he always beat me at it.
What?
Tabayyun first, okay?